Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Alex and I talk about all things print on demand. In today's video, I'll be sharing one of my classic type of videos, which is sharing my Redbubble earnings for the month of February. If you guys haven't seen any of my monthly earnings Redbubble reports, then check this playlist out here. It has all of them up to date and there's quite a few in there, so you can definitely binge a few if you're interested in seeing how much I made throughout the months. These are some of my favorite videos to film and watch for other people, so I thought, why not keep doing them on my channel? So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Alright, with that being said, let's jump right into this video and let's see how much I made in the month of February. Okay, so you guys know I usually start these videos off with actually just revealing the full amount that I made, and then I'm going to go into the breakdown of how I made that amount, the analytics behind it, what sold best, all that. So with that in mind, in February I ended up making $254 and 88 cents. So I was pretty happy with that amount, as it was a decent amount more than the previous month, so it's always good to see that number going up. But since I am Canadian, I did get a bit more in my bank account, so that ended up converting to about $325. So not a bad month for not really posting any new designs. I did have a few new ones and I'll actually check to see if those ones made any sales this month. I honestly don't know if they did, but I feel like I did sell like quite a few random prints this month. I kind of noticed like the emails I was getting. I was like, I don't always sell that one. So yeah, that'll be interesting to see in the analytics. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this segment. Let's go into my laptop and see the numbers and sales behind how much I made. Alright, so I'm in my payment history, as you guys can see here, and my February payment was $254. So let's go into my previous years and let's just see how it compares. So in 2021, I ended up earning $400, which obviously was almost double of what I earned this year. So yeah, that was a good February. Let's see the previous year. The previous year was $330, so still kind of around the same range. Like, I wouldn't say that was significantly more or less than what I earned this year. And then 2019 was $311, so yeah, historically, I guess February has been a pretty average month for me. I've never really made too many sales in February. Oh, here in 2018 we had 111. I feel like maybe because my store doesn't really have a lot of like Valentine's Day themed items, that's probably what sells the most during that month, because it's like you get paid for half of March and half of February, as you guys know, so that is like prime time to buy Valentine's Day stuff. And then in 2017 we had 163 here. So yeah, once again, it wasn't too much there in 2017, so it just shows that February has always been kind of like a mediocre month for me, and the fact that I was able to stay within that like $100 to $300 range is pretty good, so I'm not falling behind. Let's see my sales history and see what I sold in that month. Alright, so let's go back to about January 14th, because that's about when I would start making sales to be paid on February 14th. So yeah, here we have an iPhone case, sticker, poster. Oh yeah, this one I don't sell that often. Let me see. Yeah, I feel like this one isn't that popular, even though I really like it because it's like very minimal and I feel like it goes with a lot of different spaces. So yeah, that one sold. I'm happy about that. We had a throw blanket for 15 bucks. That was a good one. Sticker, a glossy sticker, more stickers. Oh, okay. That one I just showed you guys, that beige and white sand beach, just sold again. So I'm wondering like if it was being pushed out a little bit more than usual, because yeah, that's honestly a bit strange to see it twice in one month. Starfish under the ocean, bath mat sold. That was actually, oh, and then that one sold again. Maybe they just ordered twice, I'm guessing. Yeah, this one always surprises me when it sells, because like I love it, but I just feel like I didn't know if it would do well, you know? So I'm glad to see that one selling. We have an A-line dress here for $15 US, an art print for $4, a throw pillow for $12. Oh, okay, they bought two. I always love when people buy pairs of pillows, because obviously usually you would want to buy two pillows at least for like, if you're accenting furniture, you want to have two of the same. So yeah, that does happen quite a bit, so love to see that. Then let's go to my more recent sales. Okay, so we have an essential t-shirt here. Stickers, lots of stickers. Oh my gosh, like just a few days of only stickers. Or yeah, a few days. We have a poster, a sleeveless top. Not bad. The poster is actually pretty good too for almost $8 there. We have a scarf for $6. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, the clothing items are always great to sell because they always end up paying a lot. Alright, so I have more stickers, photographic print. Ooh, we had a duvet cover. You guys know those are some of my favorites, and I'm sure your favorites to sell. This one ended up being a $44 profit, so that was a great day there. Some more stickers, greeting card. Oh, Rainbow Summer Sunset. I feel like I don't really sell this one that often either. Okay, yeah, I sell this one occasionally, and I actually really like this one. I actually got it for myself on a notebook back when I was doing the Redbubble haul and ordering some of my products. So if you guys want to check that video up here, I'll link it there. But I really liked how it came out on the print, so yeah, it's definitely a nice one. Yeah, we have a bath mat, an iPhone case, another duvet cover. Yeah, ooh, it's a good month. So that duvet cover was $28, and it was on February 11th. So I'm not sure if I would have gotten paid for that, although it does say February 14th as like the ship date, so maybe I did. But yeah, I think I'll just leave it off at that because yeah, just like I got a bath mat, a mask, and like a t-shirt in between then and February 14th, so I feel like that was probably around the area that I stopped getting paid for that month. So as you can see, not too many items, but a lot of higher ticket items, which is really a pattern for my store. I don't always sell a lot of quantity, but the profits are pretty high on the items I do sell, so it adds up quicker that way as opposed to like just selling only stickers. So that's something to keep in mind when you are creating your shop. I know a lot of you guys aim to sell stickers, and I feel like it's obviously something good to sell because it's easy, like low commitment purchase that a lot of people usually buy. Like as you can see, stickers are probably some of my most sold items, but make sure you're still keeping in mind that other products earn a lot more money. So even if you only sell one here and there, it will still get you more profit than like, you know, 100 stickers would. So keep that in mind, because I know a lot of times when I review your shops, I see a lot of people are just focusing on stickers, and I feel like that's like losing out money for you guys, especially if you have like really good designs that you could put on other items and, you know, sell them just as well as stickers. All right, so here you can see my earnings by artwork for like the last month since January 31st. So that's about like half the time that I got my sales for February. So Blue Ocean Waves, obviously big one. Bright Blue Calm Ocean Shore. That one's like really creeping up in the ranks. It is definitely a newer photo that I posted, so I'm happy to see that it's doing well. Now we have these three as the last of the 5. All right, and now for audience traffic sources for the month of February. We had a slight decrease in visitors compared to January, so definitely slowed down a bit. And once again, I feel like part of that is because of like Valentine's Day traffic. You know, people wouldn't really want to shop at my store if they're looking for Valentine's Day stuff, but still within the same, I guess, ratio of all the different types of traffic sources as all the other previous months. So nothing really has changed, especially from January or even like the last 5-ish months. It's kind of stagnated. So yeah, nothing really crazy to see here. When we look at my shares, February has been pretty similar to like November and December. January, it was a lot higher, so you know, maybe some of that attributed to my sales at the end of January. But yeah, February was nothing to write home about. So let's see, we had a lot of social media as the highest one. Redbubble was 0, which is interesting because sometimes I get a few here and there. And then organic, direct, and other were not too far behind from Redbubble, with just a few for each of those as well. All right, but that's all I have for this portion of the video, so I'll get back on camera and talk to you guys about my goals for this month. Alright, so you guys saw all of my analytics and insights into my February Redbubble sales. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the numbers and everything that really makes up that number that I get paid. I think it's always cool to kind of take a look behind the scenes and see other people's portals. So yeah, I hope you guys like that too. For this month, I actually have a lot of photos to post. So I feel like I don't even really need to set like a specific goal because I'm gonna exceed, you know, the typical like 5 designs I would usually set for myself to post a month. The reason being is because I just got back from vacation and luckily it was a tropical island, so I got lots of good photos that will go really well on my Redbubble shop. So I only got back a couple of days ago, so after this video I'm actually going to start editing all of those photos and uploading them to Redbubble. So keep an eye out on my Redbubble shop this month if you want to see a lot of new designs go up, and I'm really excited to put those up because I finally got like a huge batch of new content. I'm not saying that I couldn't get this content if I didn't go somewhere. Like there's a million other ways to get good content for Redbubble, which I can make a video about, but you guys know I love the ocean and like tropical and just like nature photography. So yeah, I was happy to get some content in that sense. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on how that goes. I think I'm actually gonna make a video of like a day in my life of doing print on demand stuff and include that as a part of like this new batch that I'm uploading to Redbubble. So I'll show you guys like the process of how I pick the photos that I actually want to upload, how I edit them, uploading them, and all that in between. So I think that'd be a cool video to film and just show you guys a more behind the scenes look at what print on demand people do. So yeah, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how much you guys made in February and if you guys had a bump in your sales because of Valentine's Day. I'd love to know for those people that focused on the Valentine's Day content. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. Your guys' support means the world to me, so I thank you for all the likes and positive comments and subscriptions you guys give me. So thank you again so much for that. I can never say it enough, so just thought I'd include it in this video. But that's all I have for today, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!